Hi guys, it's Tiffany. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend. So this morning, I didn't really love anything pre-market. I did have gold on my list. Um, didn't absolutely love it, but and I knew that this morning, looking at the lists, that I needed to be cautious with my trades because whenever I don't have a great list that I don't absolutely love, I start looking for trades to get into instead of having them come to me. So I did lower my risk today. But so I'm going to go over my bad trade first. This gold this morning, I watched the 15-minute candle close above the VWAP, and I thought it was going to come back and test the VWAP and then go back up. If I would have noticed this 5-minute bear candle, I mean, that's too much of a pullback and too quick to get in thinking that it was going to be a long. Typically, when I see these pulling back to the VWAP, if it closes this close and it's such a big candle, I would not just take it long right away. I would wait for more confirmation. So that was a bad trade to get into, and immediately I noticed that I was on the wrong side, so I exited my position at break even. I did catch a decent short on it a little bit later in the day, though. Watching the 1 minute, it put up a double top. I think this would be the Mountain Pass strategy, Peter's Mountain Pass. The second couldn't get as high as the first, and then this 9 and the 20 moving averages started. They crossed and started heading down, and this 50 moving average came up to meet the other two. And when it did that, and it lost the moving averages plus this level right here, I went short with a stop loss right above these moving averages. And my first profit target was the 100 moving average on the 1 minute. And then I took another partial at the 9 moving average on the 15 minute. And then as you can see right here on the 1 minute, a lot of volume came in. There was a doji candle, and then it made a new high. So I actually exited most of my position right after that. And then I left a few shares left, and it did come back and stop me out to the penny. So I did catch a better trade on gold a little bit later. And last but not least, I traded NVDA. I actually think I may have traded this before that later gold trade. Anyhow, the first thing that caught my eye on NVDA is this doji on the 15-minute chart. And then when it made a new low, it was also, I was kind of looking at it as maybe a head and shoulders. This is not a perfect setup. See how it's so close to this 9 moving average on the 5 minute as well when I went short. But these moving averages crossed and started heading down, and the 50 came up, and I had my stop loss up here, and I went short, and mostly because of this 15-minute doji. And then my first partial was at the 100 moving average, and then I took another partial here on the 5-minute chart with this 20 moving average, and then the rest it came back up and stopped me out at break even. Again, this wasn't the perfect setup for me. I made decent risk to reward on this. But overall, not my best trading day, but I will take it for the crazy Monday that I felt like I was having. I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.